Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is about one of the most controversial topics in the tech world. Are AI dangerous? Many people believe that AI has the potential to be harmful to humanity, while others believe that AI can improve our lives in many ways. In this video, we'll explore the dangers of AI and the steps we can take to prevent them. AI has already revolutionized industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and transportation. It has enabled us to automate tedious tasks, increase efficiency, and save lives. However, as AI becomes more advanced and pervasive, there are growing concerns about its potential dangers. One of the most significant dangers of AI is its potential to be used for malicious purposes. For example, cybercriminals can use AI to carry out attacks that are more sophisticated and difficult to detect. Additionally, there is concern that AI could be used to create autonomous weapons that could operate without human intervention, leading to devastating consequences. Another danger of AI is its potential to replace human workers, leading to economic disruption and social unrest. As AI becomes more advanced, it can automate jobs that were once thought to be safe from automation. For example, chatbots can now handle customer service tasks that were once done by humans. Finally, there is the danger that AI could be programmed to act in ways that are harmful to humans or the environment. If an AI system is designed to optimize profits without any regard for ethical or moral considerations, it may make decisions that harm people or the planet. So, what can we do to prevent these dangers? The key is to ensure that AI is designed, implemented, and used in a responsible and ethical manner. AI systems should be transparent, so that we can understand how they work and why they make certain decisions. Additionally, we need to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits society as a whole, and that the potential risks and benefits are carefully considered. AI has the potential to be both beneficial and dangerous. It is up to us to ensure that we use this technology in a way that benefits humanity and protects us from its potential dangers. Thank you for watching, and please leave your thoughts and comments below. Please subscribe and leave a comment for more information on AI.